Welcome, everybody. We're pumped to have you here today. We're excited. And what I love about events like this is that we get to share ideas. And I can't tell you, I've been around long enough to know I got enough gray hair that this doesn't happen all the time as well as it has now with Redzone. We seem to see people really feeling value in what they're doing.
I think everyone wants to say, hey, let's see the software, let's see the shop floor. We're interested to hear from each and every one of you what you're hoping to learn today.
You know, we were an older style of business. We were top down, sort of thumbs down, and we recognized that we had some really good people, but we needed to engage them. We run a weekly operations meeting here. On Wednesday, we're looking at the previous week's data, but it's a week old. That was another thing that appealed to us on Redzone is real-time information.
It was about change, and they embraced change, okay? And that's what brought a lot of excitement to the floor.
That when you put iPads on the production floor, it's like handing out toys. Yeah. So to a lot of people, it was, ooh, they have an iPad on the floor, and everybody just wanted to get their hands on it. It was not a hard transition to get them engaged in using the iPad. People are smiling and, and they're talking, and it's great to see.
Just to see people go from just doing a job to becoming really owners in the business, and just that general pride and satisfaction. I'm really proud to just see how people are coming along.
And so all these ideas, we're trying to say to the employees, look at your Redzone data and focus it on these things. This is really what's going to make the difference. It's going to allow us to have money to spend on things like fixing up the plant or getting better equipment or getting tools.
One of the key components of a Redzone deployment is the coaching model. So we're not just putting a piece of technology on the shop floor, it's about coaching in the right behaviors, skills, disciplines for people to be able to use that data.
There were so many times you'd be sitting in a meeting and we'd have 10 ideas, and by next week, 8 of them had been forgotten about, or they weren't priority. Now with the actions, even the smallest things are getting done, and they're getting done quickly.
We're 6-7 months into the journey, and I'm excited just to see where we'll be year 1, year 2, year 3 as people become experts.